Lately, more EVs have been hitting the roads worldwide. This surge has put lithium-ion batteries in the spotlight, with many countries pushing hard to build up their own battery production. Here's the catch. Making lithium-ion batteries is no easy feat, especially when it comes to safety. If companies cut corners to save costs, it could lead to serious accidents, putting both lives and property at risk. At CATL, we've always believed in competing on value rather than just price. For us, that means delivering exceptional quality and assuming responsibility for our products over their all life cycle. In 2020, we pioneered a concept we call extreme manufacturing. By focusing on ultra-precise processes, rigorous quality assurance, and superior production efficiency, we've proved it's possible to be fast, reliable, and cost-effective all at once. Let's start with coating, one of the most crucial steps in making battery electrodes. Imagine spreading jam on toast, but on a microscopic scale. We take a copper foil just 5 microns thick, roughly 1/20th the thickness of a human hair, and coat it with a 100-micron layer of slurry. Now, picture that foil at 5 feet wide, moving at 330 feet per minute through a 100-foot-long oven, complete with varying temperatures and airflow. It's quite a challenge. Yet, we've improved coating consistency by 50% compared to the industry benchmark. Our intelligent coating system uses AI to deeply learn and model over 1,000 combinations of powders, fluids, and their parameters, achieving micron-level thickness and milligram-level weight precision. The result? Electrodes with a thickness variation of no more than plus or minus 1 micron. Next comes winding, where electrodes and separators are rolled into a jelly roll. This isn't just a simple roll-up. It requires high-speed precision to keep every layer perfectly taut and aligned. Our 13th generation winding machines have more than 40,000 components and use an advanced control system that maintains flawless alignment at up to 10 feet per second. Now, let's talk about our quality standard, zero defects. While many manufacturers aim for 6 sigma, about 3.4 defects per million, we aim for just 1 defect per billion cells. That's like only a single peppercorn-sized flaw on a football field. How do we do this? First, our clean rooms are massive, yet surgically clean. We filter the air 25 times an hour to keep contaminants at bay. Then there's our AI-driven monitoring. Machines, rather than people, inspect every step. Each cell undergoes over 100 checks, passes 6,800 quality tests, and has more than 10,000 data points recorded, ensuring no defects slip through. Thanks to these comprehensive and thorough testing methods with no blind spots, issues like tab damage or folding during high-speed winding, as well as voids in the welding process, can be precisely identified. In fact, the accuracy of detecting the smallest voids in the welding process can now reach 0.07 millimeters. Efficiency is another cornerstone. In October 2023, our Guizhou production base came online. We produce 1 battery cell per second and complete a full pack in just 2.5 minutes. This efficiency comes from optimizing every stage. For instance, in coating, we upgrade our systems with 5G technology. That allowed us to maintain high-speed coating on ultra-thin foils over 6 miles long, boosting efficiency by 200%. Meanwhile, in our Sichuan production base, we've automated 80% of pack assembly, cutting labor by about 70%, largely by automating tasks like gluing. In short, this is smart manufacturing, a synergy of AI, 5G, and cloud infrastructure. We track every battery from start to finish, ensuring top-notch quality at every step. Take our Cloud Factory technology. It allows us to oversee production online, enhancing efficiency and documenting each battery's all-life cycle, from raw materials to vehicle deployment and eventual recycling. Thanks to extreme manufacturing, CATL has gone from a follower to an industry leader for 8 consecutive years. We've earned all 3 Lighthouse factory honors in our field and are on track to achieve terawatt-hour production capacity in the near future. Also with factories in Germany and Hungary. CATL is expanding its global manufacturing hubs through joint ventures with automakers using the LRS model. At the end of the day, it's simple. Quality and safety come first. Extreme manufacturing is how we push boundaries to deliver the very best for you and for the planet.